Hi guys, these are most common conditions in JavaScript. Stay with me to teach you one by one. Ternary operation used to write less code line and it's one of my favorite condition. I use it all the time. If your parameter is equal to condition, then your variable gets equal to first and opposite. Switch is much faster than if and else. With this difference, the condition runs for only one variable. You can pass into the switch statement. Default in switch means if none of them is true. Used to check for multiple conditions and execute a different block of code for each condition. If and else is most common condition in JavaScript is used to execute one of block of code if a condition is true and else is for if condition is false. We all heard about if is used to execute a block of code if a certain condition is true. These are the most common condition in JavaScript. Please don't forget like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.